Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use the ParseForge Auto Video Thumbnail Generator. This actor lets you generate ready-to-use video thumbnails using AI. It's perfect for YouTube videos or shorts, social media posts, or marketing campaigns. So how does it work? You simply provide a main topic, and you can choose how many thumbnail variations you want, optionally add a reference image or a short video clip. Then, the actor analyzes that input and generates multiple thumbnails in parallel, in popular aspect ratios like 16 to 9, 9 to 16, and 1 to 1. No design work required. So, let's check out the input. Let's say, for example, you want to generate a thumbnail for a video, How Are Stars Born in the Universe? You can choose the number of thumbnail variations, we'll use 3. You can input any custom instructions you want. You can choose the aspect ratio, we'll leave it 1 to 1. And you can upload any video file like a short clip or any reference image. For this one, we'll leave it blank, and you click Start. After a few seconds, you'll see the results in this dataset table. You can simply click on any image and download it to your computer, or you can download the table as an Excel file with all the results. This is especially useful for A/B testing, YouTube thumbnails, creating social media covers, or producing consistent assets for courses and campaigns, all without design tools. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us to our Appified page. And if you like this actor, please be sure to leave a review. Thank you.